Alright, here we are at Big Scrub Pine, I think it is, Campground in Ocala National Forest. We drove down 9 miles of gravel road to get here, and they rent ATVs. They get all these ATV off-road trails, and this is just so cool. I mean, there's so many cool motorcycles and four-wheelers and all kinds of three-wheelers. Lots of fun. So yeah, it's 20 bucks a night unless you have a senior pass. That's the guy who runs the place. Looking nice, very, very nice. This is great. So we're here for 2 nights. Tomorrow night we have dinner plans with a friend, Mary's friend. And yeah, then we head down to Northport on Monday. Saturday night, Sunday, yeah, Monday. So that's great. Yeah, cool. That's nice.
Sometimes I can maybe use them a little while longer.
Yes,
See
definitely.
if I can throw one on top for you.
Oh, thank you. That's great. How nice. Oh, what happened? So anyway, this is the campground. They have showers, hot water, running water toilets. They got all kinds of overlander setups here, and very cool. Very cool. I'm so envious right now. If I had a dirt bike, I could ride that. But we will definitely be putting this on our places to visit when we have. You can actually rent the four-wheelers. It's 200 bucks for 3 hours on a guided tour, which is what I'd like to do. So this is awesome. Look at these things. Very cool. Alright, so yeah, this is the campground. So this is our first boondocking. Alright. Have a great day. Tomorrow we'll be going to Ocala, and we'll be back. Big Scrub Campground off-road trails. These are bear trash cans. We're in bear country. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And dirt bikes and all kinds of cool trails. And we got the spot up top of the hill, which is great. Looks pretty level. We're grateful. Don't have to do anything. Ben's loving it because he's got his ball. But yeah, check this place out. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. Check out these, look at these machines. I'll videotape some going by, but look at these cool razors and stuff. Very, very cool. So we're going to stay tonight and decide what we're going to do. 10 bucks a night, boondocking. So it's our first boondocking experience. We're excited. Should be good. Ben says she likes it. check out Big Scrub Pine Campground, Ocala National Forest in Florida. This is February 29th, 2020.
Leap year.
Leap year.
Leap year
And
day.
we are sitting up here on the hill watching and listening to different varieties of music versions. And everyone's just partying and having a great time. This is our first night boondocking. And we have no electricity or anything, but we do plan to turn the generator on so we can turn our electric blanket on. But right now we're enjoying our beautiful warm fire. It was 65 today.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. And
Yeah.
but tonight's going to be below freezing, a little frost warning thing here in Ocala. But yeah, check it out. This is really an amazing place. I hope to come back here again, but next time I'm bringing toys. They have miles and miles of off-road vehicle road trails. And so this is the big ATV campground in Florida. Pretty cool. We drove through like 30 miles of gravel roads to get here. So there's miles. There's miles and miles of off-road OHV trails. Very cool. You can rent. They have these cool ATV four-wheeler razor things that you can rent for $200 for 3 hours, which is really not bad. It's only like $65-70 an hour, and they'll take you on guided tours. And I really want to go because I really want to drive one of those, but I don't think we can leave Bend for 3 hours during the day tomorrow. I think that's not cool. So here we got somebody coming in with a camper. Backing in. I don't see anybody guiding them. Doing pretty good, actually.
I like that. They're straight. Their line is straight. Don't go up pretty far. Don't put there. It's got a nice straight line.
There comes the wife.
I feel like Donna. Channeling Donna.
Somebody's coming to help. There we go. Sorry, just got a little grainy. They're doing good. They're speaking Spanish. Wow, nice job. Very nice job. Look at that. Straighten up and back up. So anyway, that was 5 minutes at Scrub Pine Campground. We got wicked cool Jeeps with major lights. All kinds of cool four-wheel things. One just started up over there. Let's see what that is. I can hear it. You can hear it. There. Oh, what is it? Turned it around. Let's see what that is. Some kind of cool thing. What is it? Let's see. That was a four-wheeler that you sit on. All right, we're almost at 6 minutes. Just wanted to share our first night boondocking. This is a really cool place, man. And Dan is really cool and really nice and very helpful and helped make our fires beautiful. And got me some wood. I'm grateful. All right, thanks for watching Chatham Adventures. Have a great night. Look at this cool thing. Oh my God, it's a kid driving it. It's a 6-seater. Look at that cool thing. Like fun. Big Scrub State Park, Campground in Ocala National Forest. It's not a state park, it's a campground in the National Forest. We have really enjoyed being here. This has been fun. Run with your ball. Go. Go, go, go. Go run. Go run. Got shade, it's hot. I got my shorts on. It's hot now already. Come on. Come on. Go run, go run, go. Go run, go run, go, go. So good, so good. Well, today is Sunday, February 29th, and we're at Big Scrub Campground, the OHV off-road four-wheeling trail system in Ocala National Park. And there you can see a group. Those are rentals going out on a trip. Having trouble. There's another little virus. So this is wicked cool, but as you can see, hardly anybody here now. Everybody left. So very quiet. I'm sure tonight's show won't be as good as last night's, but we're getting ready to leave to go see Mary Lou's friend from Ocala. And thank God I made some shade today because it's been 70 degrees and it's hot. We're just not used to it. So yeah, this This is our setup. Got this whole place to ourselves, and we love it. Just love it. Living the dream. Let's see. Ben's not used to the heat. What's that dog keep barking at, huh, Ben? You're so good. You're so good. Yeah.